Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this oven fried chicken. This is very easy. So it's up to you which part of the chicken that you like to use in this recipe. The ingredients that we need here are all-purpose flour, paprika, salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and also to add more flavor and taste of the chicken, I am adding 2 tablespoons of parmesan cheese here. Then we'll just mix it all together. Now, I'm going to put the chicken in the mixture. We are going to coat it thoroughly. And also, while doing this, I already preheat the oven to 425 degree Fahrenheit. At this time, I add melted butter in a baking dish and also arrange the chicken into a single layer. Now we're going to bake the chicken for 30 minutes. And once you're done, we are going to turn the chicken and bake it more for 15 to 18 minutes or until the chicken is tender and done. Now our 18 minutes is done and this is our oven fried chicken looks like. It looks really good and very easy to make. My kids really like this, so I'm going to make this again. So this is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Any comment or suggestion, comment it down below and I will try to get back to you. Thank you.